Open the packaging box. Take out the shelf battery pack. Open the battery pack with the key provided in the accessories. Push and pull the card slot firmly to pull out the battery. Disassemble and separate the shelf from the battery compartment. Finally, disassemble the screw set at the power interface. Align the Nomad rear rack with the rack according to the hole positions. Place the screws and washers. Screw in the nuts. And tighten with the provided tools. Install the second screw and nut at the diagonal position of the first screw until all 6 hole positions are fully installed. Install the battery compartment into the rear rack. Install the battery compartment into the rear rack. Align the screws of the battery compartments, the charging and discharging ports with the reserved screw holes. Screw in the nut and tighten it. Align the charging and discharging ports with the hole position and screw in the screw. Connect the battery compartment to the rack with square head screws. Screw in the nut and tighten it. Install the assembled battery rack set onto the rear fork. Note that washers should be placed between the screws and the rear fork for connection. First, place the screws and washers in the 4 hole positions. Finally, tighten them one by one with a hex wrench. Fasten the battery to the battery slot by snapping it in. Rotate the blue collar and pull out the power cord. Connect the power cord to the rear rack battery. When a battery switch is needed, simply switch the power cord.